equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we are examining the Asus ZenBook, specifically focusing on why some models may be deemed non-repairable. Let's get started with the tools you'll need for this process. You'll require a Phillips number 00 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any damage to the internal components. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by removing the screws from the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws organized, as they can vary in size. Once the screws are out, gently use the spudger to pry open the back cover. Be cautious here, the clips can be quite tight. Once you have access to the internals, take a moment to inspect the components. Look for any signs of damage, such as burnt circuits or swollen batteries. If you notice any of these issues, it may indicate that the device is beyond repair. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without the hassle of travel. Next, let's discuss cleaning. Dust accumulation can lead to overheating and performance issues. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and vents. This simple step can significantly improve your device's performance. Now, if you're considering replacing any components, such as the battery or SSD, ensure you have the correct replacements. Check the model numbers and specifications to avoid compatibility issues. If you're unsure, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can make an informed decision. After cleaning and inspecting, it's time to reassemble the device. Carefully place the back cover on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is aligned properly to avoid any damage when closing the device. If you've followed these steps and still find your ZenBook isn't functioning, it may be time to consider a quote before repair. Our service ensures you know the costs upfront, so there are no surprises. Remember, no calls, no travel. We make it easy for you to get your device checked out. In conclusion, while some Asus ZenBooks may be non-repairable, understanding the internal components and their condition can help you make the right choice. Whether you decide to tackle the repair yourself or seek professional assistance, knowing your options is key. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.